All right, problem number 4, exercise 4. Which graph could represent the relationship between x and y if it is known that y always decreases as x increases? So the thing here, let me show you when a variable, the x-axis for this one, this case. So every time when you're moving to the right, that means that you are increasing the value, right? Because this is going to be 0, this is going to be 1, 2, 3. So if you move to the right, you have the positive number and you're increasing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those one are the negative numbers, which is -1, -2, -3, right? Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So you are increasing for the y-axis when you're moving up like that. Then here we have negative numbers, -1, -2, -3, and -4. So the thing here is they said when x is increasing. So if you move to the right, every time you are gonna increase like this, you're moving to the right. The thing is like we need to find the y-axis decreasing. So let me tell you something. So here you can imagine that you are there. This is you. You are walking. Every time when you are walking up, can you see you have a slope here? So if you move like that, you can see you are increasing for the x-axis, but also you are increasing for the y-axis. If you're moving up, you are increasing for both. Let's see here, but here you are not increasing for the y-axis because you are getting down. So in this case, you are increasing here, but the increasing for the y-axis. So this is not going to be the answer because you are increasing for both. Here, you are increasing for the x-axis, but for the y-axis, you are getting down. That means you are decreasing. So this one could be one of the answers. So you are decreasing for this. Let's see this one. So here, you are getting up until this point. Can you see here? That means that you are increasing for the x-axis because you are moving to the right, and you are getting up here for the y-axis until this point. So basically, just this part, you are increasing. And then after that, you are decreasing for the y-axis. So this one doesn't work. Why? Because it's increasing but then decreasing. And they said just decreasing. So this is not going to be an answer. The first one, because it's increasing and increasing. So this is not the answer. Then increasing for the x-axis, but for the y-axis, you are increasing but also decreasing. This is not an answer. Let's see the last one. So here you are increasing for the x-axis because you're moving to the right, and you are here, and then can you see you are getting down here for the y-axis? So that means that you are decreasing for the y-axis. Yeah. So the answers here, it's going to be 2 and 4. So basically the real answer, it's going to be only 1, no. Only 4, no. Only 1 and 4, no. Then only 2 and 3. No, right? So the answer is going to be only 2 and 4. This is the answer. Option E. And that's it for this problem.